Okay, so these are some ingredients or elements that I use to generate this video in Gemini AI. So yeah, it is now possible to generate a video with some elements or ingredients. This new feature used to be exclusive on Google Flow, but now we can enjoy the ingredients to video feature directly in Gemini AI. So let me show you how you can actually use it. First, let's open Gemini, and by the way, this feature is available for both mobile and desktop version of the platform. Now here, I'll just upload the photos or ingredients that I want to turn into a video. So I have a picture of a woman, the same woman again, but now I want to have the picture of a chair. And also there is this old school telephone, and after that you can specify the prompt or the action that must happen in the scene. And by the way, you can also specify the aspect ratio in the prompt. If you want to create a vertical video, you can specify that in the prompt. In this case, I want to get a horizontal or landscape video, which is 16:9 aspect ratio. Now click tools and then click create videos and just send the message. Now in theory, you can upload, let's say 10 images per message, but you'll get a message from Gemini that, sorry, I cannot create a video more than 3 elements. So you have to limit that to just 3 items or ingredients for a video. You can actually upload maybe more than 3 images, but usually it is either will reject the request or it will just continue creating a video, but there is going to be only 3 elements. It will be picked randomly and you'll see the result later. Anyway, this process might take about 2 minutes, so I'll just skip forward and I'll show you the final result. Okay, so this is the result. I'm going to just mute the video and let's play it. Okay, she picks up the phone and then start leaving the scene. There you go. Yep, that's exactly what I want to happen in the video. So yeah, that's essentially how you can generate video based on ingredients or pictures in Gemini AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.